Hi everyone! Today I'm taking on a super fun volunteer project, mowing the community lawn. But don't worry, I'm not doing it alone. I have got this amazing Lymow One robotic lawnmower. This thing is a game changer. No need for wires, no sweat, just effortless smart mowing. In this vlog, I'm going to show you how the Lymow One navigates under trees, cuts through some very thick grass, and makes what used to be a weekend job a total breeze. Now let's get this lawn looking great. Just finished mowing at 3 inches. Check how it looks. It definitely mulched a lot of leaves, but there are still some left over. It's because they are synced in with the grass. So what I'm gonna try is to lower down the cutting deck to 2.5 inches and then check how it works on mulching the leftover leaves. Just finished mowing at 2.5 inches. As I expected, it did a much better job in mulching the leaves. As you can see, the grass looks so nice and neat.